Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle this powder here. So we're going to start off with a nice bath in Dawn dish soap. I like to use hot water and a toothbrush and usually a magic eraser as well. So I'm going to deal with the tail on its own. It was rather tangled. It wasn't really all that discolored, but I'm going to remove the metal part and replace it with a zip tie, just so that in the future, rust doesn't happen. Next, we're going to give her a nice overnight bath in some OxyClean. This will take away any smells, and it's really in an effort to try to get rid of some of this discoloration. So for the tail, I am going to comb it out first to try to get rid of some of those tangles. And it really isn't feeling very smooth, so I am going to get out my straightener and I'm going to use that on a low heat. Always a low heat because you don't want to melt the nylon hair. Next, I'm going to get out the 40 volume developer, and I'm going to put that on her body. If you sneak a peek inside of her, you can see exactly how purple she should be. Now, I will always say use caution with especially purple and light blue ponies. With any kind of bleach, monitor and make sure that you don't overdo it because they can kind of bleach out the color completely. And then I do go ahead and wrap her in cellophane and throw her into the UV chamber to try to bring back that nice purple glow. And as you can see, she came out looking great, but her cutie marks are a little bit faded, so I'm going to make sure that I get out some paints and restore those. There's a small little spot just below her cutie mark on the one side, and I'm not sure if that's over bleaching, but it kind of looks like it's scratched. I didn't see it before. Marks, because they're silver, there was no paint mixing required. I just used a silver color paint. Normally to match colors is one of the most difficult things. I would have done that off of screen anyway. It just takes so long. And you can always use a toothpick if you kind of go out of the lines. Get some paint where you don't want it, just scratch it off. That's the nice thing about acrylic paint, it will scratch right off. You can seal these. I don't tend to if I'm just going to put it on my shelf. Unless it is the magic message ponies. I need to make sure I seal those because those beauty marks will come right off. And there she is. She's looking much better than she did before. Nice and bright purple. Hope you learned something. Hope you had fun. And I'll see you guys next time.